Hi guys! So for today's video, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Ancient Wonders of the World, ang Great Pyramids of Giza. Let's skip to the good part. So yung journey ay 3 hours from the ship. Ayan. So from afar, nakikita mo na siya. Sobrang amazing ng journey na ito, kaya abangan. From Alexandria, pumunta kami sa Giza. Ayan ang 3 Great Pyramids of Giza. And pupuntahan namin yan up close and personal. So we had a tour from the ship. Ito ay $59 and it's so worth it kasi ang dami namin ginawang activities. So 5 stopovers ang aming gagawin. Pupunta kami sa Pyramids of Giza, sa may Sphinx, and sa mga souvenir shop. And excited na akong sumakay ng camel. So ayan, dito na tayo sa The Great Gate. So may Great Pyramids of Giza, meron ding The Great Gate. Ayan, selfie muna bago pumasok. And ayan ang kanilang panoramic view. Enjoy the vlog, guys! So ayan guys, nandito tayo sa Egypt. And look at this! The Pyramids of Giza! 1, 2, 3. Daming tatlo. Pupunta natin yan mamaya. Ayan, nakasakay na tayo sa camel at aakyat na siya! Hello, taas! Hala! Ayan, nakasakay na tayo sa camel. Wow! Wow! Ah! Dahan-dahan lang. Ah! Wala, pababa na siya. Ah! I'll just hold on to my right one. Yay! Nag-ride tayo ng camel ngayon. We're doing a camel ride in Egypt. Happy? Yeah, we need to. Ayun yung pyramids na tatlo. The Great Pyramids of Giza. Ayan. Sabi nila, ginawa daw yan 4,000 years ago. It's very old na. Mas old pa sa old. Ganon. And yung mga camels, ginagawa nilang tourist attraction dito. Ayan, nag-ride tayo. Oh no! It's sneezing pa. Hello. Ayan, so pupunta kami sa loob ng pyramid. Ito yung pinakamaliit sa tatlo. Yung 2 Great Pyramids. Ayan, yan yung tsura ng pyramid sa malapitan. Ayan, so papasok na tayo sa pyramid. Yan, kailangan natin yung mukha kasi malaki. Careful po. Yeah. Ayan, sobrang baba. Oh, it's sliding down. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung loob ng pyramid. Ito yung pinakamaliit sa tatlo na Great Pyramids. You know, kung pumasok ka dito, kailangan wala kang fear of yung mga masisikip. Ito po nang masikip. Ayoko nang ipis. Ayoko na. Basta ayoko nang masikip. Ayan, medyo maluwag na siya. Medyo mainit din siya sa loob, guys. Ito yung nasa loob ng pyramid. Paulit-ulit, diba? Ito. Oh, we should have bought our fans, Pop.
I know, it's very hot.
Oh, we needed our... Ayan. Tapos may mga kasalubong ka bang ano, oh. Diba? Sikip, ate. You okay? You going back? Yes. Wala, ang lalim pa pala. Pwede bang magmura? Sorry po. Sorry. Wala, ang lalim. Careful po.
Yeah. It's really...
Hindi ako matangkad, pero feeling ko mauuntog ako dito sa sobrang baba nitong bubong dito. Palabas na tayo. Ito yung nasa loob ng pyramid. Ayan yung pinasukan namin noon lately. Kita nyo yung mga ayan o, mga sulat nila dati. Ay, taray, oh. May LED na pala dati, guys. Oh. Ganda. Ayan, so papasok ulit tayo sa silong. Yeah. It's beautiful. Pati yung loob ng pyramid. Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng isa sa Great 3 Pyramids of Giza. So nakikita niyo naman, gawa siya sa limestone. Oh my goodness. Ito yung pinuntahan ni Mr. Beast. Ang ganda. Ayan, so bababa ulit tayo. Parang pangatlong level na to. Ayun, no, pababa talaga siya. Ang hirap. So sabi nila, ginawa daw yung pyramids 4,000 years ago. Imagine, ang tagal na nito. Ano pa tinignan nila? Dead end na pala to.
Let's go outside.
Ayun na, ito na yung dulo. Eh, mas madali umakyat, guys. Mas madali pala umakyat. Bakit na tayo ulit? Yan, tignan nyo yung loob ng pyramid, guys. Para siyang ano. Ayan, so paakit na tayo, guys. Ilan natatanggalin yung sapatos ni Kuya? Wala, bumubukan na kaya. Kapit lang. Kuya, kapit lang. Kapit lang. Kapit lang. Patas mo. Kuya. Kuya. Kuya, natatanggal na. Bili ka ng epoxy.
Hello! Sorry.
Yan, kumakapit pa rin. Tapos susunod na yung sapatos ko. Hala, kumapit ka. Sinasabi ko sa iyo. Ayun na, malalaglag na, kulang na lang. Ay, abangers talaga. Kita fresco. Ayan, nakalabas na tayo, guys. Buhay tayo, buhay. Pero yung sapatos ni Kuya matatanggal na talaga. Wala, ang ganda. Ang taas. It's so amazing. Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Egypt. At ito ang isa sa tatlong Great Pyramids of Giza. Pinuntahan namin yung loob kanina. Ito yung pinakamaliit. So, isa ito sa inakyat namin. Charis, hindi pala namin inakyat. Binaba namin. Kasi pumasok kami sa loob. At sobrang init. Lumabas din kami agad. Ayan, sa tatlong Great Pyramids of Giza, isa lang ang merong takip or cap. Ayan yung nagko-cover sa kanya. Before, nung ancient times, ito po ay limestone. Yung puti na naka-cover sa kanya ay limestone. Hi guys! So ito ang pinakamataas na tatlong Great Pyramids of Giza. So ang pyramids ay ginawa 4,000 years ago. At kung nakikita niyo, meron pa siyang cap. Yun po yung nagko-cover dun sa taas niya. Yan ay gawa sa limestone. At gawa sa sandstone yung mga bricks niya. Ayan. So 4,000 years ago na siya. So sobrang tagal na. So sa pinagtagal niyan, lahat ng World War naganap na pero hindi pa rin siya nabagsak. So amazing! Yay! Dati nakikita ko lang ito sa papel. Ngayon nakikita ko na siya ngayon. Nahahawakan ko na. At pauwi na kami dahil nag-aantay na yung bus.
The pyramid will be for the king. The smaller pyramid will be for the member of the royal family, and small tombs will be for noblemen.
And now we are by the Sphinx. You know, the Sphinx is a lion body, as I said, and a human head. The human head is representing most likely King Khafren, the builder of the second pyramid, because just behind will be the second pyramid. We agreed the one that has the capstone is still on. While still you can get a view of the Great Pyramid is there. The Sphinx is the same age as the pyramids, 2,400 years before Christ. That means 4,400 years old is the Sphinx there. All of it is like one block of stone, carved of the stone, and then...
Nandito tayo ngayon sa The Great Sphinx. So sabi nila ginawa daw ito para sa wife ng Yumaong King. And sabi nila ang ulo nito symbolizes the wisdom of the king, and yung body symbolizes the strength of the king.
Okay, I explain to you how the ancient Egyptian made the first paper, okay? This is a plant of papyrus, or papyrus. The ancient Egyptian discovered it 5,000 years ago. It needs more water and high temperature to cultivate it. It was sacred to the ancient Egyptian for two reasons. First, the flowers looks like the sun rays, symbol of the god Amun-Ra. Secondly, it has a triangular form. The shape like what, you know? That's like what? Pyramid. Symbol of eternity, okay? Now I'll show you how we make the paper. We cut the stem according to the size we wanted. As you see here, there are different sizes, okay? Like this size, and after that, we remove the green part. As you see, the green part is very strong and flexible. You know, in the ancient time, it was very clever because it didn't throw. Because we can make more than things from the green part. We can make basket, sandals, boat, and a hat, and ropes, and make it wives like this. You can touch it if you want. No, it's not like a sugar cane. Okay, after that, we cut the inner part, very thin. Like this, but there is a problem. It's easy to get broken because there is a lot of water in it and gelatin. To reduce the water and gelatin, we use a rolling pin like this to squeeze the water and gelatin out. But there is about 20% of gelatin in the layers because after that it sticks together naturally. No chemical inside, no glue, nothing's inside. And you know all women here use in kitchen to make pizza, and she beats man. As you see, it becomes flexible, doesn't break, and it's very strong. And we put it in the water 6 days. And we change the water daily. You see, after the 6 days, the changing of the colors. And if we put the layers more than 6 days, it will be more brownish like that paper. It's like the very ancient paper or like things antiques, okay? And we prepare 2 pieces of carpet, any 2 pieces of carpet or cotton. And we arrange the layers. We make it like this at the end, okay? And we make it in 2 ways, in vertical and in horizontal lines to be stronger for any paper. You see the layer here? It's like a magnetic. That's why it sticks together naturally. In the ancient times, they used animal skins, not a carpet like this. After that, we put it under the press, another 6 days, and we change the carpet 3 times daily to stick together. In the ancient times, they used 2 big stones like stones of pyramids, not a press like this. And after 12 days, 6 in water and 6 under the press, you get a sheet of paper like this, as you see very strong. The sheet to be stronger like this and flexible. Doesn't fall because it's original papyrus. This is not the same quality as you see in the street in Khan Khalili in front of the museum. They are from banana leaves and sugar cane. And the drawing is printed, not handmade. All you see here is handmade. You see under the picture, the signature of the artist. There is different artists and many artists who make the drawings. And the other, it will be cheaper, but it didn't stay forever. About 6, 7 months, maybe 1 year, but you can find it like a powder. You can find any color paper, but they stay a long time, forever. You can see against the light. You see the vertical and horizontal light. You see, you can touch it. And the paper accepts any kind of colors, any kind of pen. The color is like a watercolor, white. In the ancient times, they used the paper of the papyrus to record their story like the final judgment. If he's a good person, he will go to paradise. If he's a bad person, he will go to hell. He's God, I'm God of punishment. He will punish him to eat the heart. And here we have a certificate of love. This is the love story between King Tutankhamun and his wife. And we have the first calendar in the whole world. Known as the Temple Bendara, okay? Here you can see we have two numbers. The first number NO, this is the modern number. The second one LE, this is the plus Egyptian pound. And we accept all currency, Visa, Euro, Dollar.
Ito yung papyrus plant. At ito yung nagagawa niya. Yung ginagamit nilang papel sa Egypt. Ancient Egypt.
Okay, perfect.
Na hanggang ngayon yung ginagamit sa
You need to know about
How much,
zinc.
sorry? For 1,000.
1021.
$21.